woke up stiff, restless, or already overwhelmed? You don't need more time. You need a better reset. This 5-minute fusion flow will reset more than your body. It's going to rewire your focus. Start in a plank. Now shift your hips high to the sky. Heels reaching toward the floor. Arms strong. Paddle your feet slowly. This stretch seems simple, but here's what most people miss. It's not about flexibility. It's about integration. Whole body strength meets full body release right here. I promise you, this one move will decompress your spine, activate your shoulders, and flush tension out of your calves. Beginners, bend the knees and focus on a long spine. Advanced stretches, push heels down and keep arms fully extended. Downward dog activates both sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, energizing and calming you at once. Push back and hold. Just 5 more seconds. Do you feel tightness behind your knees or across your shoulders? That's tension, not just physical. It's been building for days. That just unlocked your back. Now let's twist open those hips. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left knee down, and now lift your right arm toward the sky and twist open your chest. This twist is more than a spinal opener. It's how you build rotational strength that supports everyday movement. I promise this one will leave you feeling taller, stronger, and more in control of your breath and posture. Beginners, keep the hand on your thigh. Advanced stretches sink deeper into the hip and reach farther back. Twists improve digestion and stimulate your internal organs. Stay with it. 5 more seconds each side. Do you feel that stretch across your side body yet? If not, press into the back foot just a little more. That's just fired up your core. Let's strengthen your backside. Lie on your back, bend your knees and plant both feet. Now lift your right leg off the ground and push through your left heel to lift your hips. This is your body's powerhouse. If your glutes aren't firing, your lower back pays the price. I promise the stretch will not only protect your back, it will power up your hips and thighs for everything you do today. Beginners, keep both feet down. Advanced stretches, keep lifted leg extended or pulse at the top. Most people sit on weak glutes all day. This changes that. Squeeze at the top. Hold. Five more seconds. Are you cramping? That's a sign your glutes are waking up, and that's a good thing. That just turned on your strength. Now let's get dynamic. Stand wide, toes slightly out. Shift your weight to the right, bending the right knee, keeping the left leg straight. Come back to center, switch sides. This move is sneaky. It looks like a stretch, but it's building strength, balance, and control all at once. I promise this will increase your squat depth, relieve hip tightness, and improve coordination. Beginners, keep hands on hips or use a chair. Advanced stretches, reach arms forward and drop deeper. Cossack lunges mimic martial arts training for stability under pressure. Let's go back and forth. One more round. Which side feels tighter? That's your imbalance talking, and you're fixing it right now. That just mobilized your hips. Now for your final test. Stand tall, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Sit back like you're in a chair. Balance and breathe. This is your final challenge, and it's where strength meets surrender. I promise this stretch will open your piriformis and glutes, help relieve sciatic tension, and test your balance like never before. Beginners, hold on to a wall or chair. Advanced stretches, sit lower and bring hands to heart center. This stretch also improves neuromuscular control, making you more athletic over time. Sink into it. Hold 5 more seconds each side. Are you shaking? That's your body learning. Stay with it. You just fuse strength and flexibility into something most people never tap into: presence. But if you're stuck at a desk all day, your body's still under pressure. That's why I created a 3-day reset, a free focus plan to keep your body aligned and pain-free long after the stretch ends. Tap the link now. Don't wait until your shoulders are screaming again. You've already won today. Let's stack the next one. I'll see you there.